as the title says, today I'm reviewing a new product. This was a product that was gifted to me. I did not purchase this with my own monies, okay? I always like to let you guys know that. But this review is not sponsored in any way by Saie Beauty, so this is my honest opinion on what I think of this product, okay? So Saie, which you guys know, I have really been loving my Saie Sun Melt Bronzer. So kindly gifted me over 2 shades of their Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer, which I had seen a bit about online. I was kind of curious about it, and then they went ahead and hooked me up. Thank you. And so they sent me over 2 shades, which I appreciate because sometimes brands don't really know what shade to match you with. So giving you options is always very helpful. So I have 2 shades here. I have shade 9 and 8. So without further ado, let's get into our review. All right, so we're just gonna read a little bit about this product. This is called, okay, well, I thought there was gonna be something to read on the box, but it's not. That was short. Ooh. It does have SPF 35 in here. It's called a tinted moisturizer. First, let's just talk about packaging a little bit. So this is the package. It's a plastic bottle, comes with a pump and a top. I personally appreciate packaging like this. I will say initially when I first started seeing brands do this type of packaging, I was not a fan of it. But now the more I've used makeup, the more I like it because you don't always want or need like a heavy glass bottle. So like I said, I have shades 8 and 9 here. So I'm gonna swatch both of them on my face first to see which one I should be going with. That's shade number 8. That's definitely not my shade. And then this is shade number 9. Okay, so shade number 9 is more of a match for me. Again, tinted moisturizers are like a bit more of like a sheer product. So I feel like shade number 9, once I blend her in, excuse me, devil, will be just fine. So I'm just going to put it on. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like sunscreen. So like if you know like what sunscreen smells like, it smells like that. But it doesn't have like a fragrancy, like florally smell or anything like that. So I'm just gonna use my stippling brush to blend it out. So yeah, it looks like it's not a match, but tinted moisturizers are meant to like fit a like wider range of people. So you're always gonna see like very limited shades compared to like foundation. Okay, so that is our application. As you can see, it's a very sheer coverage. You can still see my imperfections on my face. My skin feels like nourished and like it's soaking something in, like it's like drinking a glass of water. I don't know how to explain it. It gives you a healthy, like, I never skip a step in my skin routine. I ice my face and everything. That's what it's giving me. You guys know when I do any sort of base review, I like to test how it transfers with and without a setting powder, just so that you are aware. I just have a little square of tissue here. This is toilet paper. I ran out of a nice little cute box of Kleenex, so we're gonna do what we have to do. So I'm just gonna push this on my cheek here. One thing I will say, it's not sticking as much as I thought it would. Like usually when it sticks more, it means it's gonna transfer more. So it does transfer. You can see that clearly there. And then I also like to take a little oil absorbing sheet and just like see how much oil this is giving off. I feel like this is helpful for anyone who has like super oily skin to kind of get an idea of like what you might need to do for this product to work for you, or if it's a product you just might need to stay away from because it probably won't work with like how oily you are. So I'm gonna do it on this side of my forehead. Okay, so I can like immediately see the oil coming through. So I'm gonna apply a setting powder now because in my experience, a lot of the transfer and oiliness you're experiencing with a product can like instantly go away if you just apply a little bit of setting powder. So I have a little bit of my Laura Mercier setting powder here, and I'm just gonna apply it on this side of my face with a big powder brush and up here on my forehead where I do my oil test. Okay, we're gonna take our other sheet. Okay, so this is with setting powder, and I just want to show you the difference it makes. So like a setting powder, if you don't want this product to transfer, or you know you're gonna have things on your face all day, like if you're gonna have a mask on your face, or if you like touch your face a lot, a setting powder will go a long way for you, because this is how much came off with the setting powder and this is how much came off without any setting powder. So that's a big difference. Now we're gonna do our transfer test again up here on this side of our forehead, or our oil test on this side of our forehead. So look at that, like I'm just holding it down. Some oil is still coming through, but it's not as much. So this is with setting powder and this is without. So I would definitely say for this product, you could do either or, it depends on what your preference is. If you're really good and you don't touch your face that much during the day and you don't care if it's on your mask or whatnot, you can definitely go without it. I personally do not like, it just feels like my makeup is sliding around. I always want to let you guys know so you can make a well-informed, educated decision. Okay, I like it. I feel like this is like something for every day that'll be really good, especially if you're going on vacation, for a light, like luminous, dewy look. Thank you so much, Saie, for gifting this product to me. Again, the shade that I went with was shade number 9. I also had shade number 8 here, but it was a bit, ooh, wouldn't be me if I didn't drop something with it. I feel like that shade 8 that just had a fit over there was a little bit too light for me. That is all, you guys. All details and everything will be below in the bottom description box, so make sure you click on that. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.